How to put someone in the recovery position. Step-by-step first aid guide. Welcome back to CPR First Aid Savers. I'm Bradley. Today I'm going to show you how to safely place an unconscious person who is breathing into the recovery position. This simple technique can help keep the airway open and reduce the risk of choking while waiting for emergency medical services. Important reminder, this is only for someone who is unconscious but breathing normally. If they are not breathing, begin CPR immediately and use an AED if one is available. Step 1. Check for safety. Before approaching the person, make sure the area is safe for both you and the victim. Step 2. Check responsiveness. Tap the person's shoulder. Ask loudly, "Are you okay?" If there is no response, call 911 or have someone call. Step 3. Check breathing. Open the airway. Look for chest movement. Listen for breathing. Feel for air coming from the nose or mouth. If breathing is normal, place them into the recovery position. Step 4. Position the arms. Place the arm closest to you at a 90-degree angle. Bring the forearm across the chest and place the back of that hand against the cheek closest to you. Step 5. Bend the knee. Bend the far knee while keeping the foot flat on the ground. Step 6. Roll the person, holding the hand against the cheek. Gently pull on the bent knee. Carefully roll the person toward you. Step 7. Adjust position. Tilt the head back slightly. Open the mouth downward so fluids can drain. Adjust the upper leg so the hip and knee form about a 90-degree angle. Step 8. Continue monitoring. Stay with the person. Watch for changes in breathing. Keep them warm. If breathing stops, carefully roll them onto their back and begin CPR. The recovery position is an important first aid skill that can help protect someone's airway until emergency responders arrive. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your family, friends, and coworkers. Visit us at CPRFirstAidSavers.com to schedule a CPR and first aid training for your workplace, childcare, business, or organization, or simply call me at 770-670-1956. See you in the next video.